I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you recover a channel when new uploads only get views from subscribers and almost no new people? Short answer, stop treating it like a views problem and treat it like a distribution diagnosis. When a video mostly reaches subscribers, one of three things is usually happening. First, topic mismatch. Your existing audience recognizes you, but the topic isn't broad or clear enough for YouTube to test beyond them. Second, packaging failure. If browse and suggested impressions are low or cold viewers aren't clicking, your title and thumbnail aren't creating curiosity outside your core audience. Third, retention mismatch. If people do click but drop fast, YouTube learns the video is only relevant to your loyal viewers. Here's the decision rule. In the first 48 hours, if most views come from subscribers and notifications, check impressions. Low impressions means fixed topic. Impressions but low CTR means fixed packaging. Good CTR but weak first 30-second retention means fix the opening. My recovery play is a 3-video sprint. 1 proven topic adjacent to your best performers, 1 clear thumbnail style, 1 promise-led opening. Don't pivot niches, and don't change 5 variables at once. I track that sprint in Satura, so each upload tests one thing cleanly. If you can get cold clicks and hold attention early, discovery usually starts reopening. That's the fix.